Baby Wednesday is taking a bath.
Stop!
Oh no!
My eyes are burning. It hurts.
I know. Hello there, thing. Go, do your thing. Protect her.
Huh? But how? Wow! Oh, look! My pet rat! Come here and bathe with me!
Everybody ready? Here it goes.
Ooh, cool!
Great hack.
Don't eat that!
Baby Enid has a stomachache now.
How?
She's eaten a lot of lipstick candies.
What if I turn the tummy medicine into something you like? Pour it in an empty lipstick container and let it chill for a while. Let's wait. And when it's done… Look, another lipstick candy for you. Come on, try it. Wow! Yum! It worked! Oh, what a relief! Flushing now. Oh no! The toilet is clogged! Oh, it's overflowing! Mom!
What happened? Oh no! Look at this stinky mess! Oh! Think! Oh, let's use a plunger. Here it goes!
Ew! I can't breathe!
This plunger is useless! Gross! That might work. I'm gonna put a trash bag over my arm, then wear a glove. And I'm gonna dive deep into the problem. Ugh! Disgusting!
Go, Mom!
Got something big! Look, it's finally flushing! So this spider clogged it up.
Yay! You did it, Mom! Yippee! Huh? My tooth!
What happened? Let me see. Oh no! This tooth needs to go! What do we do? I have an idea. Let's use some thread. Let's tie this to your rotten tooth. And then, let's ask for things help. That's good. Now let it go. Ready? The hack worked! The tooth is out!
Look, it's gone!
That's awesome!
Gotta go, gotta go!
The cold toilet got her frozen, but she was able to shake it off.
Mom! What is it? Look at the toilet, Mom. It's frozen.
Aha! I have an item just for that. It's inside this pink case.
Wow! What's this? A fluffy pink oval thing? I guess I gotta wear it.
Ugh, no. It's not for the neck. Take it off, I'll show you. Watch closely, okay? It's a toilet seat warmer.
Whoa! Let me try it.
Success! The toilet seat warmer worked.
The sides! They're stinging my eyes!
Oh no! We're not done yet! I know! Let's use a shampoo protector! It prevents the suds from getting into your eyes! And we're ready to rinse off using this elephant shower!
Wow! Nothing's getting in my eyes!
Bath time is fun when nothing stings your eyes!
I'm gonna pick my nose. Ooh, golden booger! Let's save this here.
What? Don't do that! Stop it!
No, Mom, I want to do it!
Baby Enid is still busy. Playing with this toy will be better. Here, pick his nose instead. He's rich with golden slime.
This is fun!
Well, isn't that better?
This is my 10th one. Yummy.
Uh-oh! Baby Wednesday's not feeling well. She fainted! Oh no! Are you okay? What happened? Oh no! She's unresponsive! Wake up, dear! Come on! What to do? Oh, I know! Let's see what we can find in this box. Dynamite? No! What else? Nunchucks? No use for these. Okay, focus. Keys? For this cell? No time for this. Tummy medicine! That's it! Here, drink up.
Oh, no, Mom!
How can I make her drink? I know. Here's a dragon fruit. All we have to do is slice it in half. Using a scoop, take the flesh out. Now, let's drizzle this with some tummy medicine. Want some treats?
My favorite! How can I say no? I'm feeling better now.
The hack worked. Say cheese! Come on, show your smile. Huh? Tooth decay? Gotta do something! Will you brush your teeth using a golden toothbrush? Let's match it with golden toothpaste, of course. Here you go. Yes, that's it! You're doing great! Sparkly, shiny teeth! Show your pretty smile! Isn't that lovely? Baby Wednesday is picking her nose!
Whoa, gooey. Looks yummy.
What's that? Ew, gross! Why would you eat that?
I'm bored.
Well, let's do something fun. Let's set up a stove here. We need a pot for melting green gummies. Let's get a paper cup. Now let's get cutting. We now have 2 holes. Then staple a strip of elastic. Nice. And here comes the exciting part. Melted gummies. Ew. Let's put it in. Done. Then wear the mask and let your bored kid pick your snotty cardboard nose.
This is fun!